Hello and welcome. This is the market wrap on BloombergQuint. I am Agam Vakil. We have seen the benchmark indices advance today by around 1.2% for the Nifty, closing the day with gains at 10,430. We've seen gains in financials as well as banks, which will include Axis Bank, Bajaj Finserv, HDFC, along with Bajaj Finance, all of them leading the charge on the benchmark indices. Though UPL from the chemical space not too far behind, also up around 5%. Gains coming in ITC as well. We have some weakness in M&M. We have NTPC, Nestle, and Cipla buckling under a little bit of pressure on today's day of trade, but on the whole, it's been a good day of trade with momentum with the gainers. The picture is well evenly spread when it comes to the NSE 500 in terms of the advanced decline ratio, even though those advancing have been a little more than those declining. Kaplan Point advancing by 11%. Sterlite Technologies, Swan Energy, BSC advancing with good gains. KRBL, India Bulls, along with Indostar, all looking at a gain of around 6%. Omax locked in another lower circuit of 10%. Midhani is looking at some weakness coming in, down as much as 6%. Suntech Realty and Adani Green, which had been ever so strong of late, has been locked in another lower circuit of 5%. India Mart is also under a tad bit of pressure with a decline of around 5%. Now, this is as far as your overall markets are concerned. Just want to take talk about a few other names from the chemical space because there is a spurt of activity there. I've already spoken about UPL, but there's the likes of IOL Chemicals. There's Alkyl Amines, Balaji Amines, all of them doing very well in trade today and with good volumes too. So we have seen a follow through in some of their relatively smaller names in the chemicals and pharma space. On the other hand, there has been some amount of weakness in the likes of some cement names which have been so strong of late. Sri Digvijay is one of them, which is down by as much as 3%. Coming down to your futures and options space, well, as we were highlighting over the previous couple of days, 10,100 put is the one we have where we've seen a lot of activity come through. And of course, on the higher end, it's 10,300, 10,400 calls. So we're expecting some amount of consolidation after today's up move, but I'm going to wait for the power copy to come through. But we have seen a decline in the India Volatility Index, which means that we have seen premiums come off to a certain extent. Well, we'll be watching out for a lot of these factors. And on that note, it's a wrap on the markets, but there's lots more lined up. Stay tuned to Bloomberg.